can you run this small motor or DC motor and this small light bulb for free at home?
And without needing to buy this pile of expensive batteries, all you have to do is bring any type of shaving machine, provided it's rechargeable.
We open these screws and remove the upper casing. Then we remove the lower casing. We open these two screws. Then we extract the board along with the battery. We need a nail, make a hole in the machine's body, insert it from here, and take it out from the other side. This is the positive terminal of the battery, and this is its location. And this is the negative terminal of the battery, and this is its location. We take two wires. We connect the first wire to the positive terminal of the battery from here, and the second wire to the negative terminal of the battery from here. And now, we insert these wires through the hole we made in the machine, and then pull them out. We tighten the screws well, then we put the top machine cover. When the machine's charge runs low, we recharge it using its original charger. This way, we'll have a battery that's free and safe to charge. We'll bring a small motor and try running it with it. As you can see, if we connect the motor's wires to the machine's wires, the motor spins. We'll try again with an LED lamp. Similarly, the lamp lights up. Therefore, this is a great idea for using in various inventions and innovations freely and safely, without buying batteries.